Hello, we are from Helen's class. Helen's class is a lot of fun, and we are learning a lot of English too. Here is the Titanic show.
The Titanic set out on her maiden voyage 100 years ago.
She sailed out of England on 10th April 1912.
I designed the Titanic. It's the fastest and biggest ship of the world. It's unsinkable.
I'm the wealthiest person in this boat. I'm going to buy this boat.
Oh no, we're going to hit an iceberg.
I'm Rose. I'm first class. I'm the most beautiful on the boat.
I'm in second class. I'm richer than the third class.
I'm a passenger. Help me. I need a lifeboat.
I'm in third class and I'm going to die.
I am going to drown. Help me. I'm very wealthy. We have dress in our beds and are prepared to go down like gentlemen.
Where is the lifeboat? I am the richest.
Oh no, my diamond, my dresses, help me, help me.
We are going to die. Let's pray.
Please, women and children first. Thank you. I am preparing millionaire, and I am the richest person on board.
No, I'm the wealthiest in this boat.